everyone, my name is Mr. Lamp. In this video, I will replace a couple of fluorescent tubes. And also high pressure sodium streetlights over here. I like these lights a lot.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
So I'm going to the place called Ekomatti. I will get to replace a couple of fluorescent tubes there. Here's Ekomatti. It's in an old school building. Here are the two bulbs of fluorescent tubes that I need to replace. You might have seen them before.
Here we are, a million stars falling over our heads. Beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. Maybe we'll fall. We are dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't something love. Said there ain't something love. No, there ain't something love.
Now these are replaced. We have still more to do though. Here's some more lights that need to be replaced. Let's turn them on. Here we have two dead tubes. That one did flicker but it stopped now. That one is dead. Here we have apparently a stuck starter, a broken starter. Last time it was working. So I replaced this tube, and now the electrode connected there or something happened, and now that is flickering. I have to replace it if I can. I'm not sure if I get there. Yep, a new tube is needed.
Okay. Just a moment. There it comes.
Thank you. Now these lights look like this. There's this one. It actually has a broken starter. I am not able to fix it because there's so much stuff in here. Maybe I will do it later, but everything else is now fixed. This light is broken as well. It has a broken starter. I don't know if I can fix it, but not at least now, because there's so much stuff in front of it, as you can see. Maybe I could do it later. I got these from the Ekomatti today. This one is not complete. I have to get some parts for this, as you can see. But it's really lovely, I like this. Then we have this bulb. It's an Osram Dulux D 18 watts PLC bulb. And then we have this fixture. It takes the bulb that I just showed you. Now I'm heading back home. It has been an amazing day again. I really do recommend places like Ekomatti if you want to find something old. I really recommend that. The next vlog will probably come about next weekend. I will warn about you now. But for now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for